Hello and welcome from KeyboardPush team. In this video, we are going to talk about Messenger subscribers. Messenger subscriber list is the target audience within the Messenger platform. When someone sends you a message on Messenger, he or she immediately becomes your subscriber. You can then reach out to them again on Messenger through KeyboardPush features like broadcast polls, surveys, auto posts, or create a sequence on KeyboardPush that sends them scheduled messages from time to time. You can also be in direct communication with them through live chat on Keyboard Chat or let a bot answer to their queries. Once a customer subscribes to your list, he or she will be available in your subscribers list. You can view your subscribers list by clicking on subscribers from main menu. Here you can view and manage all your subscribers' information. Click on Invite Subscribers. This is one of the simplest ways in which you can gather your first few subscribers. Now here you can see an m.me link or a URL. This URL, you can copy it from here and it redirects the users to your page on Facebook Messenger. Whenever any user interact with you on Messenger by clicking on Get Started or sending a message, he or she can become your subscriber. You can also share your page from here on your Facebook wall so that all your friends know about your page and can subscribe to it. Once any user messages you to become your page's subscribers, his or her information is displayed here on the subscribers page. You can view specific details for any subscriber by clicking on the record. Here you can see the information like the status, gender, and locale of the subscriber. Then when he subscribed to your page, the page on which the user has subscribed, and the source of his subscription. As an admin, you have the right to unsubscribe any user from the page. You can also assign any user a tag which is relevant to your marketing strategy. For example, here I can assign this user a tag like star subscriber 2018. The tag has been assigned. Later I can use this tag to target the customer before sending a broadcast poll, survey, or auto posts, so that only subscribers with this tag are going to receive my posts. You can also subscribe the user to any sequence you have created. The sequence will send automated scheduled messages to the user. These actions can also be performed in bulk from here. You can select multiple users by clicking on the checkbox, and then you can assign or unassign tags from them, or subscribe them or unsubscribe them from a particular sequence. In order to view all the tags that you have created, click on Edit Tags. Here you are able to view them and you can edit, that is, rename them or delete them. Subscribers can be filtered on the basis of multiple criteria, which can be selected from here. You can filter them on the basis of gender, page, locale, tags, or status. And you can also search through them using the search bar. So for now, this is all about managing subscribers' information in KeyboardPush. Stay connected to KeyboardPush. Have a nice day. Thank you.